Hey, my gamer name's Dead Shadow. Invite me to your party. Like Dead Shadow 2003. Okay?
Do funny stuff. Do funny.
Oh gosh. Okay, let's go do some ramps. What the heck?
Guys, he just glitched.
Michael, you forgot to do your intro. Dum dum dum. Who cares? Hey, faggots. Well, I am a bad shot. Oh, look, dude. Whoa. Who's this guy?
Guys, he's Mexican. Watch it. He's a bad driver, so Mexicans everywhere. Oh man, it's a really good.
Sorry.
Modder.
Oh yeah, there's modders in this game. Or is this guy the modder? Oh, yep. Hey, this is the same mods as Ricky does. Oh no, they're shooting at us! Run, run, run! Oh god! Back run for on foot! Go, 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 go. Leave that guy. Let him die! Let him
Why
die.
would you let him do that?
I don't know.
Is that a mod?
No.
Oh, I thought that was always a glitch.
Parachute, parachute! What the heck?
Guys, a modder's in this game.
Well, no, duh! Duh.
Hit those ramps. Hey!
Faggot, get away, I'll pop your tire. Don't you? Get away. I'll blood. Oh, faggot gonna die! Faggot gonna die!
He's stuck in.
Faggot gonna die! Faggot gonna die! Faggot gonna die! Faggot gonna die! Die. You never try running over me. Especially with a man with a big machine gun.